in this section, I'll be walking you through how to build with AI and in n8n. Now, n8n has a functionality that says build with AI. This allows you to instruct AI that is built into n8n to execute, to build a workflow for you. To do that, you click on build with AI, or you can basically do it manually by the add first step. If you click on build with AI, and then the preview section here. Now in this section here, we're going to be doing daily AI news digest. Now it says build an automation that runs every night, 8 p.m. Use the news API, everything. Endpoint to search for AI related news from the day. Pick the top 5 articles and use OpenAI GPT-1 Mini to summarize each in 2 sentences. So let's just go ahead and instruct the AI to generate this. Now the AI is thinking. Now while the AI is working, you can also notify, click on notify here so that when the AI is done, it's going to notify you on when the task is done. Once the task is done, it will let you know, and you can resume reviewing the task that the AI was able to do. Now, what it's doing here is getting suggested notes. It's searching all the notes. It's getting the notes definition, and it's doing some thinking. Now, if you want to highlight all those sections, you can click on thinking, which is the current step. The way humans think when they are setting up workflow, it's the same way AI also there's a logic that has been added that actually shows thinking. This gives a human readable and a way for the human to know what the AI is doing. Now here, as you can see, build the automation for you. I will build automation workflow step by step, starting with analyzing the requirement and finding the right node. Here, it's able to create the very first version. Now, crafting workflow, you can minimize that. And this is what it was doing earlier. And the first thing it did was the first version. Every night, 8 p.m., fetches the the AI news from the news API. Extract the article, split the article, limit to top 5, aggregate all summaries, then send it to GPT-4o Mini to summarize it. Then add the summary to article, look through the articles, generate image for the top articles, format Telegram message, send to Telegram. Now, this is a way you can also send it to Telegram. Now, here, you need to complete this step by finalizing your workflow. Fetch AI news from news API. If you don't have a credential, you can set up your credential. In this case here, we do not have credential. So now let's set up news AI API credential. If you click on that, for setup instruction, you can click on this, and you can specify the name, the value, and allow this. In this case, we are going to be clicking n8n AI for setup instruction. Remember, we want AI to set up the whole thing for us. Okay, now in the instruction here you can actually see it tells you to set up the credential for query auth n8n. You need to specify this workflow. Now here, what you need to do is, this doesn't align with what we need to do. What we're going to do is we're going to review the workflow, and then we'll get back to setting up our n8n, our news API credential. Then here, as you can see, it triggered every night. This is the very first thing it did. It was able to specify that the days between the triggers, which is 1, and by 8 p.m., which was the instruction that was passed, 8 p.m. The AI was able to set it up, and then by 8 p.m., this will actually get triggered. And then the next thing is fetch AI news from news API. For the news API, is going to obtain the news. Once you obtain the news, we're going to be setting up our API for that. And then also, after that, it's going to extract the articles array. It's going to split the article, limit to top 5. Then it's going to go through a loop that goes through every single article. It's going to summarize it, add a summary to archive. And then once it's able to obtain all the articles, 5 articles, then it's going to send it to aggregate all summaries. Then it's going to generate the image for top articles, format Telegram message, and guess what? It's going to send it to Telegram. And this is how you can automate, you can actually tell n8n AI to build a workflow that you need. And don't forget to set up your news API. Thank you.